This is the beloved water table that seems to be the hot ticket item for the toddlers and small children this year. We bought this a few months ago when my child was probably 13 months old. She is now going on 18 months old and still loves and adores this thing. Early in the spring, we could obviously play with it in the morning and in the early afternoon. Now that it is midsummer and we live in North Carolina, we play usually in the late afternoon when there's some shade back here. But nonetheless, she loves it. It's a great addition, and it's a great thing to help you pass some time if you need to. You can buy little accessories for it. As you can see, I've got a little water pump in there to keep the water going and just adds a little bit more fun to the play. These are all the items that it came with. It does come with this. It came with both of these, this bucket, this rubber duck right here, a little frog back there, and his little jump pad, and there is a little fish right here he also comes with. I will tell you that I have not purchased a cover for it. I probably will. The sun is starting to take a toll on it. I do think the color is starting to fade just a little bit, nothing major, but probably by the end of the summer we'll have lost all the color. So I will be buying a cover for it, but once, like I said, it's hot here. The sun is beating down. As you can see, it's getting brighter right now. So I would buy a cover if you're looking into going back and forth between buying one. I would buy one. We just haven't bought one yet. You take this bucket right here, fill it with water. Once you do that and you dump it on this top thing, the water will come a lot quicker. Down. My chocolate loves that effect. You come over here and you dump it in this hole. It'll come down, it'll stay over here, spread back and forth. Like I said, I think for the price point, which I think is a great price point, I probably would pay a lot more for it after knowing how much my toddler loves and adores this thing. I think that it's an easy buy. Just my opinion, but it does hold up well. It does come with lots of toys. It was easy to put together. And it will give you maybe about 20 minutes a piece, longer if you're lucky.
Alright guys, there's a whole bunch of Orbeez on the table. Are you going to go fishing for them?
Yay!
Alright, let's see. Scoop them. Oh, it's a fish. It's a green fish. And a red fish.
Not the guide. Let's put the sissy. What? Oh, fish. Oh my gosh. I got me wet.
What do you got, Ness? Are you squishing
Oh,
Orbeez? Oh, watch your fingers.
That's the fun.
I think that's too big for the water table. Oh.
That's not big for water table.
Was that the right size? What do you have, Cindy?
Let's see. Water table. Don't do it. I'm trying to fold this up. Give it to me. Yeah.
What's it do, guys? Let me see. Let me see it.
Down.
Joe, move so I can see. Look at that. That's just pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, you ain't even putting it in it.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Can you pour some water in the top deal and see what it does? Oh, look at that.
you can get a water pump. I just have not done it yet. So, love this and highly recommend getting it on Amazon.
Having fun?
I'll take your phone. Do this with a single. Ready?
Works well, plenty to play with. The pump does not come with it, and I wouldn't recommend this one. Check my other reviews because water's going right through the USB, so this is not included. Short of that, this works well. We put it in the pool or just outside. Really fun to play with, easy to drain, to put a bucket underneath. You just pull that plug and you're good to go. So well worth it.